Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Once again, we are back into the fourth one, and this is going to be a lot of work. So we don't want to delay. We want to go to the work quickly. And just I want to say a few words. That is, please don't forget to download the handouts. You will need it. I don't get any money for your downloading because you need it. That's the reason. And we have kind of changed. We have converted the PowerPoint presentation into PDF so that you can actually remember everything that you saw in the video instead of just copying and making it a handout. And of course, videos will be uploaded, although I don't know how much I can. But your support is all that means. So please make dua, and if you really think it's useful, please tell us. Let's begin. Let's begin, and let's give a little review on what we did. We did ism, and we learned about the four properties it has: irab, adad, jinsun, kismun. Please forgive my budgies; they're kind of noisy. So Arab, Adat, and we started with Arab. Do you remember how many things there were in Arab? I'll tell you one thing, three things. What were they? Marfu, Mansub, and Majrur. Here you go. Three forms of Arab: Marfu, Mansub, and Majrur. Just a little short info. Marfu is the one who does the act. Mansub is everything done by the doer. And possessive is something after off. We talked about it in the last video. If you don't remember, it's okay because that was in English. Today we'll do the Arabic. And I did mention that before we go to the Arabic analysis, we will have to know what is number and gender. So let's move on to it. Number is adad in Arabic. Like I said, if you want to search the web, then you will need these Arabic terms. And there are three kinds of number. You may wonder, is everything three? Three kinds of words, three kinds of status, and now three kinds of number? Yeah, well, what can we do? Actually, there are more. But now, just basic three, general, in general. So that is singular that we have in our English as well. Plural, we also have it in English, but the Arabs, they chose pair. That means if the number is two, then that's a separate number. So two is pair. Oh man, it's hard to write. Two is pair, and if it's greater than two, then it's plural. Okay, so that's all you have to remember now. And I'm not giving any examples because we will just go directly to the Quran. So hold your breath and wait today. Okay, so that's all about numbers you have to remember, except we'll have to talk about the plural a little bit. You see, it's not three anymore, huh? But I bet you don't like it. So there are six kinds of plural. Male, of course, they have a different plural for male and different plural for female. That is female plural. Then again, there's non-human female plural. What on earth is non-human female plural? We will talk about that. Just know that Arabs have gender in everything. Like if there's an object, they will put that object in gender. It's not like us that we say that this doesn't have any gender. Not the Arabic is not like that. Human broken plural. This doesn't mean the plural is broken or something. It's something different. We'll talk about it. Non-human is same. We will when we will discuss about plural, we'll talk about it. Collective plural. This is Jama. It will not make sense. Just remember these six names. Don't worry. Everything will be easy soon. Just remember them. We don't have to talk about this later. Sorry, we don't have to talk about this now. We'll talk about this later. Let's give a jump to gender. Yes, we are going very quick. We'll discuss these things in detail later. So, what's in gender? And gender, you will find two kinds. Yes, it's not three again. Two kinds of gender, masculine and feminine. That's just like in our English, except what is not like in our English is this thing. One thing you must know that is everything is in gender has gender in Arabic. Just like I said, even shoe has a gender in Arabic. Even objects, of course. Most of the time they'll be treated as a female. Unless it has a specific reason to be male, you'll put all the objects on female. Okay? We'll treat them as a female word. So the things that will be used for female, we will use for that too. So that's why you can see here there's human feminine, the real woman gender, of course, the ladies, and there's non-human, all kinds of objects and everything. Everything that does not have life but it will still have this gender that is non-human feminine. It is a part of this feminine gender. We'll discuss this later. Everything will be clear soon. Just hold your breath. We're moving on to the big part, guys. So this is Arab identification, and suppose there's a word called Muslim. Okay, you did notice that we are not using the jazm or sukun because you don't need them. You know this word Muslim, so you don't need them. Now, to change the status, number, and gender, all we have to do is add an ending sound. Now, what on earth is an ending sound? We'll see. Or combination. Combination sound means one letter, and combination means multiple letters. Relax, of course. I didn't add the exclamation mark. Let me do it now. Relax. I know it doesn't make sense at all. Just watch. It's super easy. So let's move on to the big part, the Arabic. Ah, there it is. So look at these two tables. You did notice that it's masculine separately and feminine separately. But this is only applicable for the human part, okay? If it's not human part, then this singular and pair will be same, but the plural will not be same. Okay, we don't have to worry about that. What was the word? Muslim. Here it's marfu. Let me color it the way I colored it before. Marfu is red. Mansub was blue. And Majur was green. If you remember the third video, this will make things easy for you. So Muslim, you see the word Muslim is common in everything. So what is the difference? And of course, you will have to go this way from up to down, not this way, okay? That's incorrect. You'll have to go downwards. So Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. Singular marfu Muslimun. Singular mansub Musliman. Singular majrur Muslimin. What is the pair? Pair marfu Muslimani. Pair mansub Muslimaini. Pair majrur also Muslimaini. You did notice that these two are same. The mansub and majrur pair is same. Singular, three of them are different, but the pair below the two are same. How will we identify then what is mansub majrur? Relax, relax. We will know very soon when we'll do harf. It's really cool how they identify that. And once again, in the male plural, muslimuna, different. Mansub, muslimina, muslimina majrur. So these two are also same. So only in singular they are different, but when you come to this part, they're same. Look at all those arrows. Okay, that was not good. Okay, now you know. So the same for feminine, except you will have to add an extra ta. You see this ta? Muslimatun, muslimatan, muslimatin, muslimatani. It's not ain. Muslimatani, muslimataini, muslimataini. Okay. So tiny, tiny, tiny. Once again, these two are same. Wait, where's my arrow? Once again, these two are same. Now this one was Muslimuna, Mina, Mina. This is not Muslimatuna, Tina, Tina. It's different. Muslimatun and this is Muslimatun. There's an extra alif. That's all. Muslimatin, Muslimatin. It's not Muslimatan, tan. It's tin, tin. Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin. So that's the, and of course, once again, these two are same. These two are same, these two are same. How will we identify? Using harf in a very cool way, but we will not do that now. So you understand what's the difference? Now, the interesting thing is this is not applicable for Muslim. You can use any word. For example, if you use mushrik, it will be mushrikun, mushrikan, mushrikin, mushrikani, mushrikaini, mushrikaini, mushrikuna, mushrikina, mushrikina. musyrikatun, musyrikatan, musyrikatin, musyrikatani, musyrikataini, musyrikataini, musyrikatun, musyrikatin, musyrikatin. Let's do with munafik. Munafikun, munafikan, munafikin, munafikani, munafikaini, munafikaini, munafikuna, munafikina, munafikina. Munafikatun, munafikatan, munafikatin, munafikatani, munafikataini, munafikataini, munafikatun, munafikatin, munafikatin. So all that we did is just added some sounds. Did you notice? All we did was add some sounds to the main word Muslim. This was the main word. Then it became Muslimun. Then it became an, in, ani, aini, aini, una, ina, ina. These two are same. These two are also same. So that's how easily you can convert the number, status, and even gender. What do you do to change the gender? You just have to add a ta. What do you do to change the number? You add un, an, in, ani, aini, aini, una, ina, ina, depending on which status you want it and which number you want it. If you want a pair of Muslim with the mansub, you have to add muslimaini. If you want the singular of mansub, you have to add musliman. You have to add an. If you want the singular in marfu, you have to add un, muslimun. So it's super easy, guys, and it's very interesting. It's going to be a lot of fun when we will do the video 5, where we will see some Quran ayahs and we'll find out the number, status, gender. Haha, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Oh, we're forgetting someone, the ladies. What did we do? First, we added a ta to change the gender, and then it's same un, an, in, ani, aini, aini, except the plural is different. Atun, atin, atin. First you have to add the ta and then the sounds. See, almost same as the masculine, but the ta is added first and then the same sounds. But it is different in plural. It's not ani, aini. Sorry, it will be the plural is not una, ina. I have wrote ani, aini. It will not be una and ina. It is atun and atin, which is very similar to the single ones. See, atun and it is atun. Atin, atan, atin. It's different. Atin, atin. Very, very close. One of the reasons why you must learn Arabic is because if you say, okay, the Muslimatun, it will become plural. And then again, if you want to say the plural, Muslimatun, then it's singular. So it will be converted. So be careful because it doesn't convert to pair. That would be fair, but it converts completely to the plural. Means one can become 100. So we have to be careful. And now, guess what? These sounds were added, that we added, and not for the word Muslim only. I did mention that. This is how you convert all these terms. Mushrik, mu'min, muhsin, whatever it is. Look at this three question. What is marfu pair of mushrik? What is the mansub singular of female mu'min? What are the marfu plurals of muhsin? What is the marfu pair of mushrik? Marfu is the status, pair is the number. So for marfu you have to add un, mushrikun. Since it is pair, it will be mushrikani. Am I right? Yes, mushrikani. Female mansub, female mu'min, mansub singular. For mansub we have to add an. Since it's singular, it will be an. So mu'minatan. Where is this T from? Because it is feminine, female. What are the marfu plurals of muhsin? One is muhsinani. Sorry, it will be muhsinuna. It's not ani. It will be muhsinuna. Okay, muhsinuna and muhsinatun. What will be the mansub and majrur plural? Muhsinina, muhsinina. Okay, so this una is the thing we added. Una. And for the female, Muhsinatun. Same goes here. It will not be ani and aini. It will be. It is not una and it is not ina. Okay. Have a look if you have a confusion. Let's look at this again. Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. It's not una, ina, ina. It's atun, atin, atin. Once again, Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin, Muslimatani, Muslimataini, Muslimataini, Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin. See? That's easy. Okay, so oh, that was a lot of work, guys or ladies. So just grab one of these. Oh man, too bad I don't have it. Just grab one of these and you cannot download drinks. So download the handout instead. That will help. And until then, assalamu alaikum. Don't miss the fifth video because we are going to go through the Quran and find out number, gender, type. Just wait.